Hey guys, this is Neil back with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about Asus Zenfone Max 1 Pro device. This device just got launched in India and this device is Flipkart exclusive. But before getting started, sorry guys, I was not able to uploading my video from last 2 to 3 months. So apologize for this thing, and from today onwards I will try to give you 1 or 2 videos per day. So I will try to give you maximum amount of content on this channel. So let's get started with this M1 Pro device. So in this smartphone you are getting 5.99 inch. Why not 6 inch, 6.2 inch? I don't know. If you know the reason, let me know in the comment section. So this display is 1080p display, means full HD display with the heliophobic coating. So this device is less reflective compared to its competitor in this price tag, which is again a very big plus point for this device. Let's talk about the processor section. So in the processor you are getting Snapdragon 636 processor, which is again a decent amount of processor and just got launched by the Snapdragon. So plus point for you, you are getting the latest processor. Let's talk about the RAM section. In the RAM section we are getting two variants. One is 3GB and second one is 4GB. So thank you guys for launching 3 and 4GB variant, but I am hoping that Asus will launch soon a variant of with the 6GB. And this RAM are LDDR4 type of RAM, means they are fast. So you are getting latest processor and fastest RAM, which is again a good thing. Let's talk about the internal storage. So with the 3GB you are getting 32GB internal storage, and the 4GB you are getting 64GB of internal storage. And there is also a one plus point that you can insert 2 SIM card along with a 1 micro SD card, and micro SD card support up to 256GB. So very big plus point for the Asus M1 Pro device. Let's talk about the camera section, which is the most important thing nowadays in the smartphone. So in the camera section we are getting 13 megapixel RGB plus 5 megapixel depth sensor at the rear side. So yes, there is a portrait mode in the smartphone, so plus point again. Let's talk about the front camera. So in the front side you are getting 8 megapixel camera with the LED flash, so which is again a good thing. Let's talk about the battery section. So in the battery section you are getting 5000 mAh, huge amount of battery, which is again a great thing. Let's talk about the operating system. So in the operating system you are getting Android 8.1 stock out of the box. So again a very big plus point from the Asus. And some of the YouTubers like the iGyan just uploaded their unboxing video, and as per them Asus is providing the latest update. So again you are getting latest Android security patches and other their UI update, which is again a plus point. Let's talk about the pricing. So this device get a price tag of 10,999 Indian rupees, means 11,000 for 32GB variant, and for 64GB variant you need to pay 13,000, which is again a plus point. Let's talk about some of the special factors in this smartphone. So first thing, heliophobic coating on the display. Second thing, you are getting 5000 mAh battery, but still the weight remains the same. Third thing, you are getting 3.5mm jack. Fourth thing, you are getting video recording up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is a huge plus point for this device. You can insert 2 SIM card along with a 1 micro SD card, which is again a very big plus point for the Indian user. So what you think about it, let me know in the comment section. So that's it from me guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more videos from me, subscribe the channel. If you have any type of suggestion, comment below. Thanks for watching. Peace.